Hello guys, I hope all of you will be fine. So this is my latest course regarding the usage of a calculator, how to use a scientific calculator for different purposes here in this course. So suppose we have an equation that is basically 2x plus 6y equal to 10. This is equation number 1, and in this system of equations we have basically two equations. The second one is 4x plus 10y, and that is equal to 15. So in this system of equation, when we will try to solve the equation, what do we have to do? By using the conventional methods or matrices, what do I have to do? I have to write them in the form of the matrices. So 2, 6, 4, 10. Similarly here the variables x, y, which are equal to 10 and 15. Okay. So by solving them using the Cramer's rule or whatsoever, we have to find the solution. Similarly, in order to find the solution here as well, if this is equation A, this is equation B, so doing what? Multiplying 2 with A and then subtracting B from it, what would we get? So that is, you have seen that it is a very hectic method to solve both of them. It is not that much hectic, but it takes time. In exams and in many other tests, you don't have that much time to solve them. So therefore, you usually use a calculator, which basically you bring with yourself. So let me use it for myself, and that is here. This is basically calculator, which is Casio fx-991ES. Okay, and here I have been using the emulator. So let me use it here, and here we can see that we have different options. So let me press here mode. In mode we can see that we have different options. So in solving the equations, let me press here 5. So here I will have different options for the equations. Here we can see that we have the equations in the form of 1, which is basically the equation of two variables. So let me press here 1, and after pressing here 1, here we will see that here we have two equations A, B, C, where A is for x, B is for y, C is for the constant term which is at the right side. So let me put their values. So putting 2 here first for the value x, 2, then equal, then 6, equal, C is 10. Okay, so now equal. So now the first equation is completed. Similarly for the second equation, let me put 4 here, then 10 here. Okay, and the constant term here is 15. Okay, so these are the equations. So now in order to solve them, what do I have to do? Simply press here equal, and we will see that here the value of x will be shown, which is -5/2, which I have already calculated. Similarly, in order to see the value of y, again press equal, and here you will see that the value of y is also been shown, which is a very easy, very feasible method for you to solve the equations or a system of equations of many variables. So that's it, in which we have seen the solution of a system of equation consisting of two variables, and by putting the coefficients of these variables, we have seen then how to solve them. In our upcoming video, we will try to solve further equations. We will try to demystify the ambiguities which are related with these calculator, and how can you deploy them in your examinations and tests. So that's it for today, and I will see you soon. Welcome back guys, this is our second video regarding the series of related to the scientific and mathematical calculations in calculators. So today we are going to talk about the matrix operations in the calculator, which is Casio fx-991ES plus. Okay, so here we have this emulator, and in order to perform different operations on this matrix, what do we have to do? So let us start. First of all, you have to click over this mode, and here you can see different operations. Here we have to perform operations over this matrix, so therefore I have to press 6 here. So after 6, it is asking me that which matrix do you want. So I want matrix A's. You can also do it for other matrices as well. So let me press 1 here, and it is now asking me for the dimension of this matrix. And as you can see that the dimension of it is 2 cross 2. So therefore let me press 5 here. So after pressing 5, let me enter the data here. So this would be 5 2 1 1. Okay, so this is the matrix which I have. So after putting all the data, let me press here this on. Okay, so after it, what you can do, you can press here shift, and after it, over this 4, you can see the matrix written here. So pressing it here, and you can see different operation which can be performed over it. So if I want to find the determinant of it, let me press 7, and after it, in order to put the matrix here, what do I have to do? Let me press the shift and then this matrix again. Here I want to find the determinant of matrix A. So let me press 3, and after closing this bracket and pressing this equal sign, I will see that the determinant of it has been found out. And you can also confirm it from this one, that 5 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 would be 5 minus 2, which is 3. Similarly, if you want to find or perform other operations over this matrix, what do you have to do? You have to again press shift, this matrix. Okay, and here you can see other options as well, just like this A transpose of it. So let me press this 8 now, and now in order to find the transpose of my matrix, this is 3, and here you will see that this is the transpose of it, which is now the rows has been converted to the columns and vice versa. So that is about the simple operations which we can perform over this 2 cross 2 matrix. And for the other operations, I will see you in the upcoming video. See you soon.